Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your wonderful gifts.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Oh, this is happy birthday, Nana. So I want to open this gift right now. So I choose
I give enter.
enter. Oh, here one more cover it is there.
This is
Oh,
the last
it
one.
was tied with one. Oh, no.
I gave it to my friend. Ooh, chocolate.
Chocolates.
I did it.
Wonderful chocolates. Thank you very much. Very ladder. So next, one more gift.
This is my friend and I did.
So who?
My friend Vinci.
Vinci. Oh. Inside, oh, it is covered with one golden cover.
And inside it has something.
Oh.
అందులో ఇంకా ఉందంట.
And we have this here.
This gift is covered with this.
And we have to open like this. Yeah. We are sitting in a tree branch.
Oh.
He's my father. And inside something covers are red. My friend made it.
Very good. This cover made very good.
And it has some.
లోపల ఏదో ఉందంటండి.
I'll show you.
Oh, so many sheets.
My friend made it. Then she's
Wish you best birthday ever.
my friend did.
Wow, thank you, Vinci.
Welcome.
You are the best. Yes. Thank you, thank you.
ముందుకి వెనక్కి
Oh, wish is your love it. Wow. This gift should be given to the best father, uncle. Oh, both.
I am this girl did.
So, happy birthday, one creativity. Happy birthday. I am the star. So,
And the next one.
next oh. So, we have to appreciate these
I
kids' effort.
sure.
God bless you. Yeah.
You can open like this.
ఏంటది?
Oh, answer. Oh, what is
ఏంటి?
this? This is mask. This she is a new gift. Okay, thank you.
సెకండ్ ఇవ్వండి.
You have another.
Thank you.
Nana.
Thank you.
Nana, you have another.
This is my
Keychain.
keychain. Oh, it's a wonderful keychain. Oh, wow. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. So come this way.
గ్రూప్
There.
గ్రూప్ వీడియో అందరూ పట్టాలి.
Thank you for